Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox new makeup from Chanel. So the other day I was walking through the mall and I saw the Chanel makeup store, and I decided that it would be a good idea just to take a look at the things they have to offer, because I was also looking for concealers to cover dark circles really well, and I just wanted it to be hydrating as well, so I visited Chanel. So first off, we have this blush. It's a liquid blush. It's from the Water Blush collection. So this one is in the shade Warm Pink. And this is useful. I particularly bought this for covering dark circles around my eyes, because you can use this in a mix with the concealer that I'm going to show you. And you can use it together to cover the dark circles. And if you want to see the shade as well, so this is how it would look like on the hand, and when you blend it in, it's kind of like a really warm pink orangish color. So next we have this concealer. This one is a lighter concealer than the ones that I usually bought. So this one is in the shade B40, and it's the natural serum concealer. So it's kind of like a really light and lightweighted coverage that it offers. So this is how it looks like. And then for the color as well, this is also the applicator here, and this is the color on my hand. So mixing this with the blush that we saw earlier, we can cover dark circles better. I'm also going to kind of blend this in a little, and as you can see, it blends really well into my skin, so it would be the perfect match. And lastly, we have this lip gloss. It's the hydrating lip gloss. It's also from the new collection of makeup. This one is in the shade 447. It's this shade, as you can see here. And so we're going to see it together. I think you've seen this in advertisements probably, but this is how it looks like. It's a really beautiful sparkly pink color. And then when we try it on our hand, it's something like this. You can use this on its own or also over like similar color lipsticks to add a shine to your lips. I just want to take a moment and show you the sparkles here because it looks really nice. Also, I've tried many concealers and different types of like coverages, but I think with the help of the people in store in Chanel and from this specific line, it was the best one that I've ever purchased, and it was the most useful one for me. And lastly, the lady in store was really kind and gave me a gift as well for my purchase. So we're just gonna open it together. So first we got a sampler of the Chance by Chanel. This one is the Eau Vive. I think it's the Eau de Toilette version, and it's the pink one, as you can see here. And we also got two samplers of skincare from the Sublimage collection, from the Sublimage line. I think this one is a lotion, and this one is the moisturizer cream, as you can see. So this was me unboxing my new makeup from Chanel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and see you soon for the next one. Bye!